Children, coming to the second exercise in the workbook. The second exercise, give one example for each. So some questions are given. For that you have to give one example. First one, a mammal that lives in water. Animal in water. Different kinds of animals are there, lives under the water or in the water. You can name any one animal. Okay, a mammal that lives in water. We can write whale, W-H-A-L-E, whale. You can write dolphin, you can write crabs, you can write starfish, you can write anything. Okay, yes. Second, a nocturnal animal. The animals that comes out at night. They are nocturnal animals. Name anyone. Yes, earthworm, bat, isn't it? So write bat, B-A-T, bat is a nocturnal animal. Next, third one, an animal that spins a web. Who spins web? Yes, spider, S-P-I-D-E-R, spider spins a web. Fourth one, an animal that lives in rock caves. Yes, lions, tiger, bears, etc. They live in rock caves. So you can write tiger, T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Okay. Then fifth one, the last one, an animal that lives on seashores. In seashore we can see some animals that lives in the shells. They are crabs, then turtles, isn't it? So you can write turtles, T-U-R-T-L-E-S, turtles. Okay. So first one, a mammal that lives in water, whale. Second, a nocturnal animal, bat. Third one, an animal that spins a web, spider. Fourth one, an animal that lives in rock caves, tiger. Last one, the fifth one, an animal that lives on seashores, turtles. Okay? Yes, children, coming to the third exercise in the workbook. Give reasons for the following. Okay, first one. Most desert animals are nocturnal. You have to give the reasons for that. We already learned desert animals are nocturnal. They mostly comes out at night. But reason why? Answer, desert animals are active at night because it is a good way to avoid the extreme daytime temperatures. In desert, you know, it's so hot, isn't it? Daytime the sun is so hot. So to avoid that, to prevent themselves from that heat, they are coming out at night when it is cool. So most desert animals are nocturnal. Reason? Desert animals are active at night because it is a good way to avoid the extreme daytime temperatures. Full stop. Okay. Now the second one, bats and owls come out of the shelter mostly at night. They are also nocturnal animals. They comes out at night as bat and owls. Reason? Their excellent vision to see. They can see very clearly at night, and hearing help them excel at night time hunting. For them to hunt, it is easy for them to come out at night because of the supervision and also hearing. So bats and owls come out of the shelter mostly at night. Reason? Their excellent vision and hearing help them excel at night time hunting. So the first one, most desert animals are nocturnal. Desert animals are active at night because it is a good way to avoid the extreme daytime temperatures. Second, bats and owls come out of the shelter mostly at night. Answer, their excellent vision and hearing help them excel at nighttime hunting. Children, so our next exercise, exercise 4, answer the following questions. Okay, let's see what all questions are given. Okay, the first question. Yes, children, come on, read the first question. Yes, first question. Why do animals need shelter? Why do animals need shelter? Like us, animals also need shelter to protect themselves from all the weather conditions, enemies, etc. Isn't it? Let's see the answer. Answer. Animals need shelter to protect themselves from the changing weather conditions comma, enemies and to take rest. So animals need shelter to protect themselves from the changing weather conditions, enemies and to take rest. Coming to the second question. Read the second question. What are arboreal animals? Name any two. What are arboreal animals? You have to give two examples also. Answer. Animals which live on trees are called arboreal animals. Example, monkeys and squirrels. Okay. Now third question. Write about the nests made by the following birds. Weaver bird, tailor bird. You have to write about the nest, how they build the nest, how they make the nest. Okay. So first one, weaver bird. This bird makes a nest that hangs upside down using twigs, small thin branches of trees, isn't it? And grass, and enters the nest through an opening at its bottom. So weaver bird, this bird makes a nest that hangs upside down using twigs and grass and enters the nest through an opening at its bottom. B. Tailor bird. How tailor bird make a nest? A tailor bird makes its nest using broad leaves that are stitched together using its needle-like beak. It has a needle-like beak. Using that, it stitches the leaves, broad leaves together and makes the nest. So first one, why do animals need shelter? Animals need shelter to protect themselves from the changing weather conditions, enemies and to take rest. Full stop. Second question, what are arboreal animals? Name any two. Animals which live on trees are called arboreal animals. Example, monkeys, squirrels. Third one, write about the nest made by the following birds. Weaver bird, tailor bird. So first, weaver bird. This bird makes a nest that hangs upside down using twigs and grass and enters the nest through an opening at its bottom. B. Tailor bird. A tailor bird makes its nest using broad leaves that are stitched together using its needle-like beak. Yes, children. So coming to the fourth question, our last question. What do you understand by the term nocturnal? Write the names of any two nocturnal animals. Okay, you have to write about nocturnal animals and examples for that. Answer. Nocturnal means, what do you mean by nocturnal? That term, that word means what? Night time. Nocturnal means night time. Full stop. Animals like bats and owls are called nocturnal animals because they comes out at night. These animals can see clearly in the dark. Night time they can see very clearly. They can see and even they can hear also, that we already learned, isn't it? For night hunting, they are very good because they can easily see and hear in the night time, so they can hunt other animals for the food, isn't it? So fourth one, what do you understand by the term nocturnal? Write the names of any two nocturnal animals. Nocturnal means night time. Animals like bats and owls are called nocturnal animals. These animals can see clearly in the dark. Children, so next comes HOTS questions. HOTS. You have to think and answer all these questions. The HOTS, value based and all. Okay. First HOTS. Where are all spider webs commonly seen? Where can you see all these spider webs? In and around your house you can see, isn't it? Corners and all, isn't it? Yes. So spider webs are commonly seen throughout the home. Throughout the home we can see, especially corners of rooms. Rooms, corners we can see, along the edges of ceilings. Edges of ceilings we can see, and on the sides of our walls. Okay. So where are all spider webs commonly seen? Spider webs are commonly seen throughout the home, especially corners of rooms, along the edges of ceilings and on the sides of our walls. Next, value-based question. A value-based question from this lesson. A value, what you learned from this lesson after learning this lesson, okay? Or what value you will do. You can do in your life. It is the rainy season and a stray female dog has given birth to puppies. A rainy season. And what happened? A stray female dog. In the street, there is a female dog. It gave birth to a small puppy and birth to puppies, many. One or two. They do not have any safe place to live. Poor puppies, they don't have any safe place, and it's raining also. What will you do for them? Suppose it is happening beside your house or somewhere near around your house. You have seen a female dog giving birth to puppies and it's full raining. So poor puppies are so cool and they are under the rain. What will you do? What help you can do? Can you do any help for them? You can write like I prepare a temporary kennel for the female dog and puppies in the backyard of our house. Backside of your house, if there is space, you can build a small temporary kennel. Kennel is a home for dogs, isn't it? Some protection or some kind of protection you can give to those dogs if there is a space in the backyard of your house. So like that, you can give some help to the dog, isn't it? If you can do. So you can write like this answer. Okay, children. So that's the value you are learning, helping nature, isn't it? And last one is home assignment project. Prepare a chart with pictures and information about different types of nest and show it to your subject teacher. Okay, you have to prepare a chart with pictures and information about different types of nest. Already you learned about different types of nest made by different birds in this lesson itself. So weaver bird, tailor bird, partridge, sparrow. So you have to collect information about them, prepare a chart about it and try to paste pictures on it and you can hand over to your teacher. Okay, try to do it.